Bahua went to go open the door, and by surprise, it was Mo Jing and his father. Mo Jing had a blank stare on his face. He didn't move or say a word. Being shy, Mo Jing just nodded his head and said,
my law.
Waiting for the ceremony to begin, Mo Jing walked around the house, finding a place to sit. Soon, he spotted a corner where he could stand. The corner just so happened to be where all the ladies were sitting and chit-chatting. Not meaning to eavesdrop, Mo Jing heard one of the young girls say,
"Really? A scholarship for high school seniors?"
"Yes, a scholarship for seniors."
"What kind of scholarship?"
I'll let Mo Jing explain, since he's part of it.
It's the one the Hmong Student Association is giving away. They're giving away $1,000 scholarship to high school seniors who will be attending college next year. It is very easy to get in. You just need to fill the application out, send in the required forms, write one-page essay, and you're all set.
Really? That's pretty easy. What is Hmong Student Association, and when is it due by?
It's not due until April of next year. You still have plenty of time, but don't wait too long. Everything must be received by April 1st. Hmong Student Association is a student organization that is geared towards educating the public about the Hmong community. They also promote and understand between the Hmong community and the public through educational events and community services.
You should definitely apply, Hoto.
Who, me? I don't know. I'm not much of a school person.
It's okay. You should just try. It doesn't hurt to try. And that goes to all of you. Just apply and don't think of whether or not you're going to get it.
Okay, where can I get an application?
You can get it off their website at hmongstudent.org, or they will have a booth at New Year's where all the tables are. You can pick an application up there too. Also, just stop by and say hi, and check out what the student organization is about.
Okay, will do. Thank you, Auntie and Mo Jing.
As more people start to show up, the place got more crowded. Mo Jing went outside to the backyard where he spotted Bahua sitting alone.
Really? Really?
The two felt awkwardness between them, giving them silence for about a good 2 minutes.
Angel.
Mo Jing grabbed Bahua's hand slowly and kissed it. The two gazed into each other's eyes, knowing that they had something special in common. Without hesitation, Bahua agreed and shared that she too had liked Mo Jing from the first time they met. Months had gone by, and each passing day, Mo Jing and Bahua's love grew stronger and bigger. They were inseparable. They hung out keeping each other company and having fun with each other. One day, after a while of contemplating, Mo Jing went to his dad for a favor.
Sí.
Anh chị Hà, cô chồng mong sẽ tông chùa.
Cô sai yếu phân nhỉ?
Cái sự yếu phân nhỏ, mình tôi cái thầy kia có từ kinh style, cái chuyện sắp cho yếu phân nhỏ.
Bỏ gì? Cái gì? Bà họ ư tư chỉ thả lời. Rồi chỉ yếu. Bà họ là tôi cần đã ta lời. Cô là sai yếu phân nhỏ lời thế.
Mình tôi cái bảo kể cái ở trong ở cỏ, cái chuyện sai yếu phân nhỏ thế.
No, why do you think that came to you?
Chỉ có watch tao chơi à, có chữ hiểu thế. Nè, cô thấy có một cái ở trong ở cỏ, chỉ mong cô có hai tia đồ thảo luận. Cái anh chị xử lý,但是呢，个啥需要，个一起包得住哩。
他这他以后估计幺零，估计102这了。
呢，你先讲嘛，背股，个得背起到股哎，个真系做技术要的，个要背，你带有机比较，怎么了背上？
他这他这估计么小白家，但是呢，我还得你真经，估嘛你们大家估要把你，就是一上那些，他把过。
要的咪都，要个还得点，嘛八个，กูมาหูกูตีนินจาตัวชลาทอไปชลาเดียวไอ้มามีเรเจหายมันจอสิมันจอ主要家里都个要顾，一类米都是，顾啥报告我给装学士，但是个要住都是要背。
A couple of days have passed and news of Mo Jing's family coming to arrange marriage with Bahua has reached her family. As her family prepares for the wedding, Bahua waits eagerly by the door along with her parents.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ